Do you know what day it is today? It's Restock Your Skincare and Makeup Day. So what to do now? All of my skincare products are almost over and I need to restock them ASAP. So today I will show you some of my top favorite as well as best selling skincare products on Nykaa starting at rupees 100. In fact, let's buy them all together. Now, who hasn't heard of Nykaa? It's literally the best online beauty and fashion brand. It has got all domestic, international luxury brands when it comes to makeup and skincare. The very first product that keeps dullness away from my skin is the sheet masks. Guys, I have extremely dry and dull skin and these sheet masks are a complete lifesaver for me. So I am going in the app and typing in sheet masks in the search bar and also selecting the bestseller option in the filters and which one it is. Okay, so I have Nykaa Natural Skin Secrets Exotic with different shades and I'm selecting the green tea aloe vera and adding it to my bag. It's just costing 100 rupees. Now after sheet masks, I need a good toner. So let's just type toner and now select the brand filter. Let me select the brand Minimalist. Okay, let's also choose the price filter of 0 to rupees 499, a little budget. All right. So I've applied two filters and the Minimalist 3% PHA toner with multibiotics just for rupees 379 it is. So this is after discount of course and I'm adding it to my bag and it's added. Now after the face toner, I need a good serum. So I am going to look out for some serum suitable for my skin type. Now here there's a filter which gives you the option of selecting your skin type. So I'm going in with the combination skin. I have a lot of options and I am going in with the ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc. It's a 30 ml for 600 rupees only and it's also a bestseller. Let me add it to my bag. And then I think the most generic thing that we need is a good moisturizer. So I am going to go in for a good moisturizer on this app and in the filters I want to definitely select the Conscience to be cruelty free and also the formulation to be cream. And here I have options where I am going to go in with the Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream costing only 406 rupees after a 20% discount. Okay, so everything is successfully added to the bag and now it's time to check out. But wait, let me ask my best friend Kiki if I have forgotten something. Kiki, am I good to go and check out?
Tanvi, I think you're forgetting something. You know I never step out without my sunscreen.
No, but what are best friends for? Thanks Kiki, and that reminds me a sunscreen is very important. So let's check the sunscreen out. And when it comes to sunscreens, I am going to go into the filters and make sure I'm selecting my skin type as combination and also the SPF to be above 30 in the filters. Applying two filters and now going in with the Sunscoop Invisible Sunscreen SPF 40 costing me rupees 506 after a 25% off. Add it to the bag. Now I need to select a good lip balm and let's select the average customer rating filter as 4 stars and above. Okay, so I am adding this Sugar Pop Nourishing Lip Balm which is available in 7 shades out of which I am going in with the strawberry shade and this is costing me just 134 rupees after a 10% discount guys. But you can however try different flavors. They are coming in plum, coffee, peach, vanilla and mint. It's time to add the body wash now. So I'm going to use the filter as my concerns, that is the dullness and tan removal. In the filters, concern, dullness, tan removal, applying two filters. Wow, the first option is so brilliant. It's M-Caffeine Exfoliating Espresso Body Wash costing only 295 rupees after a 26% discount and also is a bestseller and also gets a free gift for me. So adding to the bag. But guys, come on, I just don't want my body to be clean after the wash. I also want it to smell good. So I am now going to look out for a good body mist. And here, the filters that I am going to use, something that is in the brand Wanderlust from Nykaa. I have 3 options and I'm going in with the blue one, which is costing me just 400 rupees after a 20% discount. So adding it to the bag right away. Kiki, how can I forget you? Have I forgotten anything or am I good to check out?
Don't you need some makeup products?
Kiki, you're so right all the time. I do need my basic everyday makeup, that is a BB cream, a kajal and a lipstick. So I'm quickly going to pick those up and then probably check out. Okay, added the BB cream, the kajal and the lipsticks. Now Kiki, have I forgotten anything?
No, Tanvi, we are good to go.
Alright, even I don't think so. I think the best part about Nykaa is that they have it all. You name it and they have it. You know, I feel there is no other online store that has these many varieties, that too as per your requirements when it comes to your preferences and needs. So let me know which of these products you are planning to add to your daily routine. Until then, do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.